Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to network share files and folders on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To network share files and folders on Windows 11 computer, first of all I need to find my IP address. In search, type cmd. Click on command prompt. Here in cmd type ipconfig. Now hit enter. This is my IP address. I want to network share a folder with this address. Now minimize command prompt. Now open File Explorer. Go to this PC and go to C drive. Here I am creating a folder, new, then folder, and give the name share. Now right click the folder and click on show more options and then click on properties. Now click on sharing, then click on advanced sharing. Click on share this folder. You can change the share name if you wish, or you can keep the share name same as the folder name. For security reason, I am changing the share name IT System Admin. Now click on the permissions and you can add permission for specific users. I am sharing for everyone and then give full access. If you want, you can uncheck full access or uncheck change as you wish. I am going to give full access and then click on apply. Click on OK. Again click on apply and then click on OK. This is the network share path. Now close share properties. Now close File Explorer and then click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings and then click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Here you need to ensure that under Current Profile, Network Discovery is turned on and File and Printer Sharing is turned on. Then go to All Networks. If you want, you can turn on Public Folder Sharing, and if you want, you can turn on File and Printer Sharing on Private Network. Now close Settings. Now I am going to my another computer. Here right click on Start menu, click on Run, and here in Run type /10.17.32.6 and now click on OK. And look, this is the shared folder I have shared from my Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.